So dear students, last class we discussed the concept of if and if else. So generally condition is true. Okay, only first statement will be executed. Only single statement will be executed. There is no need of any curly braces. If you want to execute more than one statement, curly braces required like this. Multiple statements means curly statement is required. So this is the syntax actually. If condition is true, this will be executed. Otherwise, false statement will be executed. So more than one statement, if you want to execute, you have to keep it in curly braces. And see one more if nested if. Nested if means so we are using the condition in another condition. This condition we are using the above condition. If this condition satisfies, only this will be executed. Other programs we will see this concept. This is called inner if, and the above one is outer if. So we are using if in if, and it is called a nested if. Then it is called nested if. And if else ladder. So this example we took in the last previous session. So if this condition is true, this will be executed. Otherwise, it will check the second condition. Okay, if second condition true, this will be executed. Otherwise, it will check third condition. And if it is true, this will be executed. Otherwise, it will go to next condition. Like all when conditions are false, finally this will be executed. Next, we will take one simple program for this. Suppose if you want to check whether the year is leap year or not. So leap year or not means the condition will be like this. So here we are checking with the first generally if any year is divisible by 4, then I can say it is a leap year. So generally we are taking 2000. 2000 means it is divisible by 4. We are getting the remainder. Okay, remainder this is 4 5 the 20. Okay, 0 0. So like this. Okay, so we are getting remainder 0. Remainder 0 means you can call it as the okay. So as per the Gregorian calendar, we need to check another condition also. It is divisible by 100. It should be not equal to 0. Suppose if I am taking 1700, 1700 is not a leap year. And even 1800 I am taking, the year 1800. It is not a leap year. 1900. This is not a leap year. And 2000, it's a leap year. 2000 is leap year. It is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100. Okay, so then I can call it as a leap year. So the conditions you need to check. Divisible by 4. Okay, and divisible by 100. Not equal to 100. Divisible by not equal to 100. Or this. Suppose if I am taking 1700 here, 1700 I am taking here. 1700 I'm taking. 1700 if I divide with 4, if I divide with 4 here, okay, 4 for the and 1 you are getting 0, 4 to the 8 and 2. Here 4, 5 the 20. First condition satisfied. But when it takes second condition, 100, 1700. Okay. The second condition should be not equal to, it should not be divisible by 100, but it is divisible by 100. That is why first condition failed. This is true. This condition is, but this condition fails. So true and false. True and false is false. Here, true and false. The result is false. Result false means this will not execute. This will not execute, and this will be here. What is happening actually? It's not a leap year. Else means is not a leap year. Is not a leap year. Here it is printing mistake. So this is condition failed means it is not leap year. So 1700 is not a leap year. So similarly, if I take 2000, suppose I'm taking 2000, the conditions will be satisfied. This is divisible by 4 satisfied, divisible by 4 satisfied, and 100 also satisfied. Okay. Ah, and but 100 also satisfied, but here 400 also satisfied here. 400 is equal to 0. So in this case, it is a leap year. In this case, it is a leap year. Next, we will go to the next topic. Switch case. Next topic is switch case. So as per the switch case, here first we have to use the keyword switch, and any conditional statement we need to do conditional statement. This one, and if case one is satisfied, statements will be executed. And after execution, we'll break the switch. Break the switch means it will come out. Okay, if this is not satisfied, it will go to second case. And if this case satisfies, the statements will be executed. And next it will break. Break means it will come out of switch. So we'll take one example. Suppose I want to print a big this. So for that, I'm taking one number, enter in value. I'm declaring n, and I'm reading n value and switch. So here I would like to print the weekdays. Suppose this one is there. So it should print 3 out Monday. And we have to make it print. Paste means 3 out. Tuesday. semicolon is compulsory. So like that, we have to take the condition. Let's copy paste and type. Okay, case 3. Wednesday. Next, case 4. Thursday. Break. Case 5. Friday. Case 6. Saturday. And break. Case 7. Sunday. We can pick default. Suppose if user gives 8 or 9 some other number, you can print that it is invalid. Invalid. Now we will see the output. With spelling mistake. Here it is showing line number also 37. If I yeah, semicolon next. Okay. Now I'm printing 5. 5 means it will be printed red. You see. Next, suppose if I'm taking 1. 1 means Monday will be printed. 1 Monday. Monday is taken. Suppose if I'm giving 10. 10 is not there. So it will be printed invalid output. Like this, we can use the switch case. Suppose here, if I'm mixing the break, suppose if you don't write break, okay? If you don't write the break here, what will happen? Let us see. Suppose if I'm giving 1, they printed. Why? Because here condition 2 satisfied here, but day printed, day executed, and break also executed. Tuesday printed and break executed. Suppose if I give something, I'm giving. So what is the output? You see. Third means here Wednesday printed, but there is no break. Break statement is not there. So that is why it has executed Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and invalid. So if you don't give break, it will not come out. Okay. So whenever you are giving break, it will be no. So break is required here. Don't give break, all further statements will be executed. Even condition is true or not. All further statements will be executed. And so directly it will go to 3. Whenever I am giving 3, directly it is going to 3, case 3, and all further statements will be executed. But there is no break. Break is there, it will be coming out. Next, we'll go to one more. Suppose I want to write one menu-driven program. Menu-driven program means suppose I would like to add subtraction and division, multiplication I want to do. So for that I need two numbers. Two numbers are required. So I'm just choosing option. Enter. First we have to write down CO. One means addition. Like this. Two means subtraction. Three means four means division. Okay, next enter your option. What you want to enter your option and see. Suppose if n equal to 1, what is the meaning? Addition. So I'm just taking one result. I'm taking RES. RES equal to A plus B. So we have to read two values. A and B. We have to enter two values. And see. I'm declaring the variables. Anywhere you can declare before using the variable. One means addition, next break. Otherwise, it will execute the remaining state. Two means subtraction. A minus B. Break. And three means multiplication. As per the menu, multiplication. A into four means as per the menu, it is the division. Four means. So RES is equal to A by B. Okay. Now remaining options not required. Okay. And default that is invalid input. Actually, we given the program only for we are writing the program only for four options. 1, 2, 3, 4. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So if you are giving 5, 6, 7, okay, so should say that valid option. Now after of this result we have to. So result is stored in RES. Now let us see. So one indicates addition, two indicates subtraction. So you can choose your option. So I am choosing third option, multiplication. So I need two values, 15, entering two values. Okay, 15 for the 60. So it is similarly you can run one more time. If it means multiplication, so 15 to 4, 60 printed. Similarly, if I am taking option one addition, addition means I am giving two numbers, 14 and 16. So 30 printed. One means addition, so 14 and 16 addition is printed. So this is the count. Next, we will take more program. Yeah, let's take this program. So develop a program to calculate the electricity, including a discount based on the total bill amount. Initial bill is 100 rupees and the program should calculate the total bill amount by multiplying the number of units consumed by 10 rupees per unit. Adding this to the base bill. Base bill was 100. Okay, that we have to add. And the discount should be applied according to the predefined ranges. So first what to do here, we have to understand the problem very clearly. Suppose if consumed units 300. Okay, suppose if consumed units 300. 1 minute. Suppose it is 300. Yeah, if it is 300 units, suppose let us calculate this first. It is 300 units. So here what is the bill actually? First base bill will be there, that is 100 rupees. Next number of units. Okay, calculate the total bill by multiplying the number of units consumed by 10 rupees per unit. First 100 rupees compulsory plus 300 units into 10. This is the bill. This is bill. But they are giving discounts. Suppose if it is less than 200 units, so there is no discount. Okay. But this 300 is coming under the second category. Okay. It is in between 200 and 500. So 5% discount will be there. So for this bill, 5% discount bill into 5% is 5 by 100. Okay. This amount will be there. Actually, this is 3,100 and this 5% bill will be there discount. It is going to become discount. Now we have to take the total bill. Total bill. Total bill equal to bill minus discount. This is total bill. So we need first we have to choose number of units. Okay, n. Let us consider n equal to number of units. Next n will be this multiplied with the 10 and added with base bill. Discount also we have to just run the ranges. If it is in between this 500 to 800, 10% discount. So as for this, we need to do the. So let us look. So we need first number of units. So we will take first number of units. What we require, number of units we require. Next discount and all we can consider as a total. Maybe estimated disk bill and bill. Bill means total bill. Total bill. Any other required? So first let's see. To enter number of units. Okay. Next we are taking the bill. Bill equal to 100 plus 10 into 10. Now discount we have to calculate. This on discount actually based on the categories we have to see. Less than 200, no discount. So if the number of units are number of not based on the bill, based on the bill amount, not based on the units. The bill amount is 200 less than 200. If bill is less than 2, so there is no discrete. LC bill is second condition. Here this is equal to 200 to 500 and means symbol not a and less than or equal to 300. Like this we have to give a disk 5% now 5 we will take. But next LC bill is less than 300 greater than 300 third category 300 no 500 is 500 and 500 to 800 same copy paste 500 to 800. So this command will be 10. So this product number next 300 to 800 to 1100 800 to 11 15 next to 20 else automatically it will be so now you need to the total bill will be bill minus this. So we have to fill bill means bill minus discount. Discount also we will calculate now. Percentage I have calculated. So bill into is 500. Let us see what happens. The number of units consumed. Suppose 50 units I am taking. So 50 units consumed means 50 into 50 units consumed. That means 50 in first base will 100 plus 50 into 100. So this is becoming bill. So total it is 600. 600 means it is coming under this category. So 10% discount. So discount is 10%. 600 into 10%. So you are getting 60 rupees. So total bill will be total bill will be 600 minus this discount. Total it becomes 540. This is our out. So on the conditions you can give. So these are regarding switches and files regarding conditional statements. So based on the conditions, we are executing this. Next, remaining things we'll see in the next lecture.